certainly be happy.
Okay, good.
All right, so in this is the garage. We want to, all these blank areas, put drywall and finish it. Any areas where the drywall is not looking perfect anymore, we want to redo it. You can see most of this tape is coming off, so most of it's going to have to be redone. All up here the tape already came off, and here the tape came off. Over here the tape is falling off.
Mm-hmm.
See all those areas where the tape is
I totally agree.
cracking at all,
I agree.
it has to come down
I
completely.
agree.
Because what that means, well, partially out here it's just because of it gets hot and cold, so that's really why. But if this happens inside of your house, it's usually because they didn't get any mud behind the tape, and it'll always come off if you don't
Okay.
get any mud behind the tape. I'm gonna leave it to my guy to decide what to do with these actual pieces of drywall. They
Okay.
may, and it's gonna be up to him on what he thinks. If he primes it and paints it twice, is that staining gonna come through? My experience, oftentimes it does. So
Okay.
he may say that all this needs to come down and be replaced. In which case, we're gonna have to work around the units here. This 2x4, we're just gonna leave that up unless it has to come down. All the other stuff in the garage is gonna be moved out and out of the way before we get here. So that's about the extent of it. You want it all up on this side over here too, right?
Well, now, you don't have to worry about this exposed piece, but yeah, that,
Okay. We drywall around the big beams, and then we'll just paint the beams to match. All up in there. And this is your standard 2-car garage, and this is probably about what, 12-foot ceilings? 10 foot?
I would say 10 to 12.
10 to 12-foot ceilings.
Because you're about, what, 6 feet maybe?
Yeah, I'm 6 feet. So does it look like about 2 of me?
Yeah.
Hard to tell looking straight up, but looks like about 12-foot ceilings. All right. See if I can get a little bit better view of some of this here. See that tape's coming loose there. It's pretty much doing that everywhere. I gotta cut around these windows. I'm not gonna put any trim or anything, just cut the drywall as nice and smooth around the windows as possible. Alright, and that's it.